Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, basically spell sort of token is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.09% in by and large most recent 60 minutes. Really, in spite of prevalent thinking, Spell really has a genuinely complete market cap of $62,218,799 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,111,454 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. This in a real sense makes sort of Spell kind of token lovely positioning at 343 in the cryptographic money market, which really is very critical. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what certainly is the Spell sort of token cost forecast finish of 2023, what will in a real sense Spell especially token sort of be genuinely worth in 2023? Is basically Spell extremely token a sort of wise venture or kind of worth purchasing in 2023? Will sort of Spell cost generally outperform its unequaled high, or so they especially thought? These generally are our generally Spell especially token cost expectations for Spell's future, which basically is very huge. Spell commonly token value expectation 2023 as per the Spell truly token conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Spell value sort of is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly normal value level of $0. The normal least value worth of all things considered. Spell truly token toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to especially be $0, which in a real sense is very critical. Besides, essentially Spell can in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell in every practical sense. Token value estimate June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of fundamentally Spell extremely token explicitly is supposed to generally be at around at least $0, showing how this explicitly makes basically Spell especially token most certainly positioning at 343 in the digital currency market. Spell commonly token cost can truly arrive at a truly limit of $0, the kind of typical cost of $0 USD, which for the most part is very huge. Spell pretty symbolic value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the fundamentally greatest cost for Spell sort of token could generally stretch around $0. Moreover, the minimum cost of fundamentally Spell in July 2023 truly is $0, a truly normal cost of $0, or so they really thought. Spell commonly token value gauge August 2023 the sort of normal cost of generally Spell especially token could especially go to $0 the finish of August 2023, or so they especially thought. Spell could basically be exchanging around in every practical sense. Greatest worth of $0, the truly least expected cost of $0, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Spell truly token value figure September 2023. For September 2023 the cost of by and large Spell exceptionally token in a real sense is in a real sense anticipated to generally arrive at a truly normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a truly limit of $0, a fundamentally least of $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell certainly token value forecast October 2023. The cost of most certainly Spell genuinely token essentially is most certainly anticipated to by and large reach at a kind of least worth of $0 October 2023, or so they truly thought. The Spell cost could arrive at in every way that really matters. Most extreme worth of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, which truly is genuinely huge. Spell really token value expectation November 2023. With respect to November 2023, fundamentally Spell exceptionally token cost generally is figured to for the most part arrive at an outright lease cost of $0, which sort of shows that in every practical sense. Spell sort of token value gauge August 2023 the all things considered, normal cost of in every practical sense. Spell token could sort of go to $0 the finish of August 2023, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The Spell cost could especially arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $0, the sort of typical expected cost around $0 in unpretentious manner. Spell really token value gauge December 2023. For December 2023 the cost of fundamentally Spell in every practical sense token generally is truly anticipated to especially arrive at a sort of typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $0, a sort of least of $0, which in a real sense is very critical. Spell exceptionally token for the most part past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto fundamentally has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.13% in its truly current worth in a huge manner. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the especially current market cap of the Spell with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap for the most part is likewise down, exhibiting that basically is truly Spell really token an excellent speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023 incredibly. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the spell essentially was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 1.41%, which generally is genuinely huge. Spell token in a real sense has shown extremely kind of solid sort of potential of late. And this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and certainly put resources into a quite large way for the most part. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of truly spell sort of diminished by 26.987%, killing an astounding truly normal amount of $0 its ongoing worth. Kind of additional appearance how certainly spell fundamentally token value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of truly spell token in every practical sense is supposed to generally be at around a genuinely least of $0, exhibiting how this sort of makes truly spell truly token in every practical sense, positioning at 343 in the digital money market, which in every way that really matters is very huge. This unexpected down by and large implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can sort of be a kind of good essentially purchase an open door for fast speculation, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change truly is near 21.40%, and the cost for the most part coursed from an in every practical sense least genuinely normal cost of $0 extremely greatest truly normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days, in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. In most recent 4 months, really spell certainly token basically has shown a developing pattern, which by and large is genuinely critical. Consequently, we by and large think that comparative pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, or so they truly thought. As per the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of spell fundamentally token in a real sense is expanded from 4 months, which really is genuinely critical. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which generally is very critical. The coin generally is up by 5.45%, with the greatest certainly normal cost of the coin for the most part was around $0. The especially least genuinely normal cost of sort of was around $0 every practical cent. Recent months, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Spell truly token value gauge 2023 FAQs. What will essentially be fundamentally spell token extremely worth in 2023, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. The spell cost is estimated to arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0, truly least cost of $0 the finish of 2023, so in every way that really matters. Spell truly has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $62,218,799 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,111,454, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does in a real sense spell in every way that really matters token generally have a future in every practical sense as opposed to mainstream thinking? As far as value, sort of spell certainly token by and large has an exceptional for the most part potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner generally. Conjecture for the most part spell will increment in esteem, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. As per truly unambiguous specialists and business examiners, generally spell genuinely token can basically raise a ruckus around town. The most exorbitant cost of 2 cents till 2030 is fundamentally spell genuinely